Okay, today let us see chapter 5. Exercise 5.1, question number 4, some of the difficult problems. Okay, so question number 6. What is question number 6? 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.42, etc. So we have to find out here in this what and all whether this forms an AP. If it forms, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. So we have to check whether it is an AP. If it is an AP, you have to write the common difference and 3 more terms. So let this be A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. Now here what we have to find out first, D1, common difference D1. What is the formula for common difference? For first finding the first common difference, A2 minus A1. So what is A2? 0.22 minus 0.2. Okay children, here after decimal point we have 2 places. Point க்கு அப்புறம் எவ்வளோ நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது? 2 நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. இங்கே பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரே ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்குது. One more number is missing. So whatever number is missing, that you write it as 0. Okay, now you subtract directly. 2 minus 0 is nothing but what? 2. Then 2 minus 2 is nothing but what? 0. Here you have decimal point, so write decimal point. So we got the answer also after decimal point, 2 places. Then what is 0 minus 0? That is also 0. So if you want, you can write in column wise and you can check, you can subtract 0.22 minus 0.20. So now 2, 0, 0. So when we subtract, we will be getting like this. So first common difference is this. Next common difference, D2. What is D2? A3 minus A2. When you subtract these two, you will be getting common difference 1. When you subtract these two, you will be getting common difference 2. Like this. You have to check whether the common differences are same or not. Okay. Now A3 minus A2. So which is nothing but 0.222 minus 0.22. As I said, after decimal point, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3 places. But here after decimal point, only 2 places are there. So include 1 0. Now you subtract 2 minus 0 is nothing but 2. 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0. 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0. Then you have decimal point. Then 0 minus 0 is nothing but 0. If you want, you can write like this and you can find the answer. Now when you check these two, the common differences are not same. How? Here you have after decimal point 1 0. But here you have after decimal point 2 zeros and then only 2. So if the common difference is not same, then you should write it is not an AP. So when it is not an AP, you don't need to find out next 3 terms. Okay, now coming to the next one. Next, which question? I think 8th one. 8th one is easy, but I think you may commit some mistake, so that's why I am doing this. Now A1, A2, A3, A4. So what is D1? As I said, A2 minus A1. 1 வேணும்னா 2 லேருந்து 1 சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். கரெக்டாக 1 வேணும்னா 2 லேருந்து 1 சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஓகே, now minus 1 by 2. Formula has one minus. And what is A1? Minus 1 by 2. So minus of minus becomes plus. No need to write one again minus then bracket, that not no need. Directly write plus. And what is A1? 1 by 2. So what is the answer for this? 0. Then what is D2? 2 வேணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? 2 வேணும்னா 3 லேருந்து 2 சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். நான் இது இப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். 3 லேருந்து 2 சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் என்ன தான் கிடைக்கும்? 1 தான் கிடைக்கும். ஆனால் காமன் டிஃப்ரென்சஸ் எப்போதுமே ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். எப்படி? 2 செகண்ட் டேர்ம் மைனஸ் ஃபஸ்ட் டேர்ம், தேர்ட் டேர்ம் மைனஸ் செகண்ட் டேர்ம். ஓகே, நான் இதுக்கு சொன்ன மாதிரி இதுக்கு நீங்கள் கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, now A3 minus A2. So if you want a common difference 2, this minus this, A3 minus A2. Okay, now minus 1 by 2, A3 is minus 1 by 2, minus, what is A2? Minus 1 by 2. So minus of minus becomes plus. So you got 0. Similarly, you will be getting the other terms also 0. So D1 is equal to D2. Therefore, it is an AP. Now find out the next 3 terms. Up to A4 they have given. We need A5. If you want A5, with the 4th term, you have to add the common difference. So what is the 4th term? Minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. What is the common difference you got? 0. So when you add 0 with any number, you will be getting the same number. So you will be getting minus 1 by 2. Then what is A6? A6 is nothing but with the 5th term you have to add the common difference. A5 plus D. So a5 is also minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Then what is a7? With the sixth term you have to add the common difference. So minus 1 by 2 plus 0, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So in this manner you will be getting the next three terms. So you should write finally the next three terms are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, since all the terms are minus 1 by 2. Okay, now coming to question number 11. Question number 11. A square, a cube, a power 4. So here, since this is also small a, so to make it differentiate, let me write this as capital A1, capital A2, capital A3, capital A4 to differentiate this, that's all. So first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So if you want to find out the common difference D1, you should subtract second term minus first term. So A square minus A. Here you cannot subtract this since both are unlike terms. I told you like terms means variable with the same power, but here the variables are with different power, so you cannot do. Suppose if you want, you can take the common terms out, both having a. So a, take it commonly out. When one a goes out, what about the other a? That will go inside the bracket. Minus, already you have taken a outside, so here you should write 1. So a into a minus 1 will be the first common difference. What is D2? That is a3 minus a2. a3 is nothing but a cube minus a square. You cannot subtract this directly. What is the common term here? Both have a square. So a square you can take commonly out. Here a will be left inside. Here a square you have to commonly out. So 1 will be inside the bracket. Or else you can divide it. Divide a3 by a square, you will be getting a. Divide a square by a square, you will be getting 1. Like that also you can do. 3a ல 2a வெளியில போயிடுச்சுனா மிச்சம் ஒரு a இருக்கும் இங்க. இங்க 2a ல 2a வெளியில எடுத்துட்டோம். அப்ப இங்க என்ன இருக்கும்? 1 தான் இருக்கும். Because 1 into anything you will be getting the same thing. Now the common differences are not same because here you have a, here you have a square. So D1 is not equal to D2. Therefore it is not an AP. Now coming to question number 12. Now let this be A1 and let this be A2 and let this be A3 and let this be A4. We have to find out the common difference first, A2 minus A1. So which is nothing but root 8 minus root 2. Okay, how will you find root 8? Root 8 can be written as, you can find the prime factorization. So two 2's are there, these two have a pair, so you can take it out from the root, and 1 2 does not have a pair, so write the 2 inside the square root. And this root 2 you cannot do anything since it is a prime number, you write as it is. Here you have 2 root 2, here you have 1 root 2. If there is no coefficient invisible is what? 1. So 2 root 2 la 1 root 2, when you subtract you will be getting 1 root 2, or simply you can write it as root 2. Now second common difference is A3 minus A2, so which is nothing but root 18 minus root 8. Okay, how can you write root 18? Root 18 similarly 2, 9, 3, 3, 1. So 3 have a pair, so write outside the root. 2 does not have a pair, write inside the root. And already you found root 8. Root 8 is what? 2 root 2. So now 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is nothing but 1 root 2. Here also 1 root 2, here also 1 root 2. Common difference is same. Therefore, it is an AP. We have to find out the next 3 terms. What are the next 3 terms? A5. A5 is nothing but A4 plus D. What is A4? Actually A4 is given as root 32 plus what is the common difference we have? Root 2 or 1 root 2. Now root 32 you just split 2 table. We have to divide only by prime number. 16 2s are 32. Again 8 2s are 16. Again 4 2s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4. Again 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay. Now this 2 have a pair and this 2 have a pair and this 2 does not have a pair. 2 2s are 4. So 4 can be written outside. 1 2 1 2. Okay. 2 2 இருந்ததுனா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ல ஒரு 2 எடுத்துக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி 2 2s are what? 4. இந்த 2 க்கு பேர் இல்ல, அது ரூட்டுக்குள்ள எழுதணும். So 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2 will be nothing but 5 root 2. Okay. Okay, how will you express 5 root 2? Actually, when you square this, you will be getting that number if you want to write in the square root. So 5 square is 25. 25 into 2 is 50. So you will be getting root 50. So if you take the prime, if you find out the prime factorization of 50, you will be getting 5 root 2. Okay, if you want to write this in the form of the given question like this, what is the question here? Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. You have to square this. Okay, 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. 5 5s are 20. 5 root 2 into root 2 is 2. 25 into 2 is what? 50. Now when you take square root for this, you will be getting this number. What? 25 root edutha enna varum 5. 2 root edutha another root 2. Okay, so now similarly you find out a6. a6 is nothing but a5 plus d. So no need to write this number, you just write this to get the answer easily. 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 plus common difference is 1 root 2. So 5 plus 1 is what? 6 root 2. I told you if you want to write like this, you should square this. So 6 root 2 into 6 root 2. 6 6 are 36. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 36 into 2 is 72. That you write inside the square root. Okay, whatever number you are getting, that you write inside the square root. When you find the prime factorization of this 72, you will be getting like this, 6 root 2. Then a7. a7 is nothing but 6th term plus common difference. So what is 6th term, children? This you write it for easy calculation. 6 root 2, common difference is 1 root 2, which is nothing but 7 root 2. Okay, how will you find the answer like this in the form of square root? 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. 7 7s are 49. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 49 into 2 is nothing but 98. 9 2s are 18, balance 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. So root 98, that will be the next 3 terms. So the next 3 terms are root 50, root 72 and root 98. So in this manner you have to solve the sums. Okay, now next sum, 13th sum, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Okay, now how will you do this? a1, a2, a3, a4. So now d1 is nothing but a2 minus a1, which is nothing but root 6 minus root 3. Root 6, if you are splitting, you will be getting 2 into 3. Again 2 into 3 is a prime number, so there is no pair also, we cannot do anything. So we cannot simplify this, so keep it as it is. And coming to next one, d2 is nothing but a3 minus a2. So root 9 minus root 6. You can find the root of 9. What is root of 9? 3. Because 3 3s are 9. 3 have a pair that can be taken outside root. Root 3 minus, 3 minus root 6. These both are not same. So d1 is not equal to d2. It is not an AP. So in this manner you should solve it. It is very simple. Then the given sequence is not an AP. Then question number 15, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. This is 73. That you should keep it in mind. Okay. Now here first let us simplify this. 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25 and 7 square is 49 and this 73 you write as it is and write this as a1, a2, a3 and a4. Okay. Now what is d1? d1 is nothing but a2 minus a1, which is nothing but 25 minus 1 is 24, and d2 is nothing but a3 minus a2, which is 49 minus 25, that is also 24. Since the common difference is same, so it is an AP. Now we have to find out a5. a5 is nothing but a4 plus d, 4th term plus common difference. 4th term is 73, common difference is 24, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. Then a6 is nothing but a5 plus d, which is nothing but 97 plus 24. 7 plus 4 11, 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12, 121. Then a7 is nothing but a6 plus d, so which is 121 plus common difference is 24. This 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1. So these are the next 3 terms, 97, 121 and 145. So that's all exercise 5.1. These are the important sums. So all of you do this carefully. Thank you.